So I was talking to Kevin, and he said he was able to dial in his Viridian sight. I was out here for a little while yesterday, and I couldn't seem to figure out the movements with the Allen key. So with his feedback, I want to give it another try. All right, so the grouping was good, but we're just low to the left. So I made the adjustments because I told the optic I want to go up and right. All right, too much adjustments. I need to come back left a little bit. All right, I really like the height. I made a slight adjustment left. Let's see if we can hit dead center. Oh, I pulled that shot. All right, I think we're dead center. Okay, I think we're there. So I needed to do a slight height adjustment. Let's check it now. I think I pulled that one. Okay, so this was before I made the slight adjustment. So I moved it up slightly, and now it's up over here to the right. I pulled this one. This one's my fault, but I made the up adjustment and everything pulled over here. So I'm going to push it back down slightly and move it left.